Did you know Arizona has a 3-acre world under glass? A giant well of carbonated water, and even a chocolate waterfall. Most people think Arizona is just a desert with a big canyon. But that's way off. We're about to reveal 50 wild facts that will totally change how you see the state. From the world's largest pine forest to a town literally named Nothing, Arizona is packed with surprises. Every fact on this list is more unbelievable than the last. We've researched and verified every detail for this video, so get ready by the end. You won't believe all these things exist in one state. Let's get into it. Arizona is home to the largest contiguous ponderosa pine forest on Earth, 19 million acres of unexpected green. White Pocket's twisted sandstone bedrock looks like an alien landscape, if you can make the trek to see it. The Lava River Cave is a mile-long tube formed by magma 700,000 years ago, and it stays a chilly 42 degrees year-round. Montezuma Well is a limestone sinkhole with 15 million gallons of carbonated water loaded with arsenic and leeches. Sand actually boils up from below. After heavy rain, Grand Falls becomes a raging chocolate waterfall, taller than Niagara, and looking just like a river of chocolate milk. The Cedar Pocket sinkhole appeared in the dry Arizona Strip, an area where sinkholes shouldn't exist. It's a geological mystery. For a few days around Thanksgiving, sunrise shines through Eggshell Arch, creating a perfectly timed orange glow. Media Crater is so well preserved, NASA trained Apollo astronauts there for their moon missions. Biosphere 2 is a 3.14-acre sealed ecosystem, built to test if humans could live in a closed environment, like on Mars. Arizona's haboobs are mile high, dust storms that roar in at highway speeds. In 2011, one swallowed the entire city of Phoenix. In 2012, a grapefruit-sized hailstone, 4.5 inches across, fell in Arizona, shattering the state record and causing major damage. In 2010, Arizona saw a record-breaking 11 tornadoes in one day near Flagstaff, dropping baseball-sized hail. Arizona refuses to observe daylight saving time, except for the Navajo Nation, creating some wild time zone confusion. There was a real town called Nothing, Arizona, with a gas station and a sign declaring its citizens full of hope. Arizona's elevation ranges from 12,633 feet at Humphreys Peak to just 70 feet at the Colorado River, a vertical change of over 2.5 miles. The Grand Canyon isn't the world's deepest. The Yarlong Tsangpo Grand Canyon in Tibet is over twice as deep, at 17,000 feet. Harming a saguaro cactus is a Class 4 felony in Arizona, with penalties up to 3 years in prison. Phoenix holds the record for America's hottest city at 122 degrees Fahrenheit, while Flagstaff, just 2 hours north, has hit minus 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Flagstaff is the world's first international dark sky city, with strict lighting laws that helped astronomers discover Pluto at Lowell Observatory. Within 80 miles of Flagstaff, you can visit 7 national parks and monuments, including the Grand Canyon and Sunset Crater. The real London Bridge was bought, shipped from England, and rebuilt in Lake Havasu City, Arizona, a wild tourist attraction. Tanto Natural Bridge is the world's largest natural travertine bridge, big enough to fit a 15-story building under its arch. Karstner Caverns, discovered in 1974 and kept secret for years, is a living cave with mineral formations still growing. The petrified forest is made of solid quartz, fossilized trees from 225 million years ago, before the dinosaurs died out. Havasu Falls turquoise water comes from high calcium carbonate, creating travertine dams and that unreal blue color. The Sonora Desert is the wettest desert in the world, getting rain from both summer and winter monsoons. Arizona's Sky Islands let you travel from desert scrub to subalpine tundra, almost every ecosystem in one state. Fort Huachuca is Arizona's oldest continuously active military post, with over 133 years of history, from the Apache Wars to modern intelligence. Arizona has 22 national parks and monuments, preserving its unique natural wonders and rich cultural history. Despite hundreds of lakes, almost all in Arizona are man-made. Every major lake is the result of damming rivers. Arizona is split into two geological regions, the Basin and Range in the south, and the high-elevation Colorado Plateau in the north. The granite dells near Prescott are made of bedrock, 1.4 billion years old, older than complex life on Earth. In 1997, thousands saw a massive, silent V-shaped object with 5 lights over Phoenix, one of the largest UFO sightings ever. The San Francisco volcanic field near Flagstaff has over 600 volcanoes. Sunset Crater erupted less than 1,000 years ago. The endangered desert pupfish survives in tiny extreme desert springs, an ultimate survivor. Devil's Kitchen is a geologically active sinkhole that keeps collapsing and growing, swallowing the forest floor. Arizona is dotted with ghost towns like Jerome and Tombstone, once booming mining towns, now abandoned relics. Ancient lava flows in northern Arizona dammed rivers, and in some cases forced them to flow uphill. Frank Lloyd Wright built Taliesin West in Scottsdale as a desert laboratory for his radical architectural ideas. Tucson is one of America's oldest continuously inhabited cities, with over 4,000 years of history and 4 different flags. It's illegal to hunt camels in Arizona, a law dating back to the 1850s, when the US Army experimented with a camel corps. Arizona is the 6th largest state. You could fit all of New England, plus Pennsylvania, inside its borders. The Four Corners Monument is the only place in the US where you can stand in 4 states at once. Arizona has 15 species of rattlesnakes, from the giant western diamondback to the tiny ridge-nosed rattlesnake. Mount Graham is a sky island with a subalpine forest at its peak, and some of the world's most advanced telescopes. The Grand Canyon is 257 miles long, up to 18 miles wide and a mile deep. So vast, it creates its own weather. The Salt River Canyon, known as the Mini Grand Canyon, plunges 2,000 feet and offers some of Arizona's whitewater rafting. The iconic saguaro cactus can live over 150 years, grow 40 feet tall, and weigh more than 2 tons. 90% of that is water.